Hi, study end times with me or eschatology in a very simple way. Please prepare your notebook. I really require notebooks specific for eschatology to all our students of Foundation Seminary and to all pastors who want to teach end times to understand more. Especially those who really want to do conferences. Okay, now our topic is about the term last days. Ako naman yung na-mention, pero balik-balik ko na ko. The term last days nag-start dito na panahon kay Jesus Christ. Hebrews 9:27, ang pag-ani niya for the first time, kitawag na to of last days. Okay, jot down yun verses Hebrews chapter 9:27. When he came for the first time na to, tinis kalimutan, yan siya, last days na dito. O basin kay, ani kay basin nyo, di kay ang 2 Peter 3:8 lagi, one day is like 1,000 years. So, mauna nga, from Adam, 4,000 na baya years. From Adam unto Jesus Christ, 4,000 years. Nagupay ka ng 4,000 years. Musa, sa iyang pag-abot, last days na to. Two days, 2,000 years naman. Gikan atong pagkamatay niya sa cross. Okay, so, ang wali ni Joel, isulat niya, Joel chapter 2, 28 and 29. Joel chapter 2, 28 and 29. Ngayon ni Prophet Joel in his time, wapa siya nagkabalo nga unsa ng last days. Ingon pa niya, on the last days, God will pour out His Spirit. So that's 600 years before the Pentecost. Joel chapter 2 verses 28 and 29, nagprophesy sa Prophet Joel nga na sa last days the outpouring of the Holy Spirit to the young people and even ordinary servants of God. Now, ano sa aman nila tuman, Acts chapter 2 16 to 18. Sige, sulat na sikreto, sulat lang, paminawa ko explanation, ikaw din study sa imong kaugalingon. Kanang niya, ipag-ibigin masabtan, review atong video. Acts chapter 2, 16 to 18, tingala mga tao, nga naman na sila dahil spoken tongues, di masabtan sa uban unta, pero ang uban ba ito nakasabot man, asa sila gikan. Ingon ni Pedro, wala, dili sila hubog. Maybe nagkaingon mo hubog, no? Maunig giingon ni Prophet Joel that on the last days. Sa ato pa ay last days na kato, the day of Pentecost, na pila na katuig. Tugay na kastanan ang last days. Tugay na gayo, 2025, minus ngali, minus 33 AD. Mauna ang kano ngayon ang last days, almost 2,000 years na. So makorek na nga lahat, last days na hindi ay tama, dugay na ang end times. Igsoon ang end times, I would say ako imutang sa pagbalik sa Israel as a nation, May 14, 1948. May 14, 1948, pila naman katuig, daya na 77 years ago. End times. So, ano yung kung end times? Kasi sa Bible magod, nagpaabot ng sulat diya nga ang Ginoo balik sa Israel. Kung saan pagbalik na wala na may Israel, 70 AD pa. Ang Israel naguba as a nation, 70 AD. Magdaganong 1,800 kapin, 890 plus. Kamo na lang panana, 1948 minus 70. 1948 minus 70. inanan kano gayon nga wala Israel, almost 2,000 years wala Israel. Pagbalik to 1948, I believe that's end times. Sugod ng ihap 1948 until now, 77 years na ang end times. So, muna nga 1,878 years na ay ang Israel na sa 1948 from 70 AD end times na sa niya gi-atake ang Israel ni General Titus of Rome. Kamo na anak Google na yun, 70 AD destruction of Jerusalem. I-google na General Titus of Rome. Anong panahon na si Emperor Vespasian ang emperor sa Rome. So mao na igsoon, last days dugay na start panahon ni Jesus o Pentecost, last days na, end times 1948, ang end of time, mauna ng end of the world. Pagbalik ni Jesus, yang i-end ang world system and He will make His own world, the new world or the new kingdom. 1,000 years. That's the end of the world. Dili masabot ng end of the world, wala na tao. Patay ng tanan, no, meaning the end of the superpower nation, the end of wicked world, end of time or end of the world. And it is here. Why? United Nations plan and target 2030. Sunbad na nilang problema sa poverty. There are 17 goals. Research mo. Sige, research. United Nations 17 sustainable goals. And the Lord is not happy about it. And God will stop it. Christ will come before that 2030 plan. Okay? I hope you learned something. Last days, end times, end of time. Study. Let's study together and share it to others. But mag-research ka.